and I'm rocking out like this today. And what's going on, guys? It's your girl Vina Vies, and I'm back with another video. So before I even get into this video, Walmart, thank you for sending me this stand for my camera. Like, it is totally lit. You guys don't understand like how easy it is for it to be in this position right now. Like, I have nothing that is standing on. It's literally hanging on a pole. So guys, for all my people that who vlog or use cameras, need something to hold their cameras as a stabilizer, I'm gonna put in the description the link to this stick, because this shit is super lit. Like, I'm so happy I got it. Thank you so much, Walmart. Enjoy doing business with you. Today is such an eventful day. My brother is throwing a barbecue, and he's doing his song release party. Zyla has a birthday party to go to, so I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, I'm not gonna tell y'all this again. Make sure that y'all do subscribe, because I'm gonna be dropping a whole bunch of lit vlogs, and today is definitely gonna be a lit day. I already feel it. Everything's just going according to plan. When I showed you guys my nighttime routine, I was using this face mask. So they discontinued making that, and now I found something very similar that Walmart also sent me. And guys, this video is sponsored by Walmart, so thank you guys, Walmart. That came through. But anyway, so with this packet could last you about a whole week. I just used like about this much. I may add a little bit more, but it lasts the whole time. You don't have to use this in all in one session. Hey guys, I just finished putting it on, and let me make sure you guys are able to get a good glimpse of what this is. So it's EADY. Oh, I think I got a smudge on my camera. Okay, there you go. So the Biore or Biore, it feels really nice on the skin. Like, it's very there you go. It's very smooth when you put it on. My nighttime routine and my daytime routine in regards to like face wash and face care is the same. It doesn't change up. So now that my face is washed and moisturized, I'm about to do my makeup. If you guys want to see a detailed makeup routine, I definitely have a video of that on my page. So if you do want to see that, I'll also tag that in the description. But I'm about to do my makeup, and I'll be back as soon. Alright guys, so my makeup is done. I don't have on my lashes or I'm gonna put on my lips. But I wanted to show you this PR package that came in. I want to show you this new wig I got that I'm gonna put on today. So I already opened it up, but it's from Alipearl. I can't wait to try it on. So it's from Alipearl. They sent this over, and it comes with like instructions in the back on how to take care of this hair. No higher than. That's pretty cool. So it says how to care and hair maintenance. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that this hair is actually human or virgin, because the reason they have a whole set of instructions in the back, and I just wanted to make sure that if I do apply any type of heat to it, because I know I am. You want to go? So get up. Bye. Stay out. Peace. Silly. Can we close this door, because the music is volume's too loud. God, come on. Ain't got time to be playing. Anywho, so this is how the hair comes. That's lit. This is how the hair comes, like a bob wig. Oh, I think this hair is actually it's actually virgin. Okay, well, let's test this out. The lace is on the lighter brown side, but this is good because it blends in much better. I actually like lace this color. All right, let me try this on. Ooh, you know I got my wig cap on. This is the color wig cap I use. On how I grew my hair. My hair, once I take the braids out, my hair is literally like somewhere right here, like almost at waist length, and I grew it out in 2 years. I cut all my hair off right before Zai was born. So if y'all want a video about tips and tricks about growing your hair, comment below and I'll release the video. Okay, so this wig, it comes with combs in it, so good, because I really didn't want to glue it down. I might have to gel down like some baby hairs for the wig, but yeah, I ordered actually a size small. This cap is a size small, and the reason being is because I used to think my head was really big, but it turns out my wig caps are actually small. I have a small head. I may have a big head, but the circumference of my head is actually small. So this is a small. So let's see. Oh, it's really short. And guys, I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I honestly love the way short hair looks on me. Even though I have really long hair, I enjoy wearing short hair. I would not leave it like this, guys. Alright, so it's short. The density on this is, I believe, 180. And I personally don't like this middle part. So what I'm gonna do is probably part it going this way.
Are you with it? Cause I ain't looking for no love. You don't understand that. You just want a commitment, and I can't commit back. I'm just keeping it 100, girl, you got respect.
Ooh, I see so much work that I could do with this. It look crazy right now, guys, but believe me, after I curl it up and stuff, I think it's gonna look really cute. I might cut my hair short. But in order to have these type of like short styles, you definitely need like straight hair, and I don't want to go back to perming. So what I'm going to do actually is, I'm not going to be able to curl this on my head. I think what I'm going to do is put it on a mannequin, curl it, and then put it back on my head, and then see how to manipulate the part, because right now I really can't figure out exactly where I want it to be parted. But this little short funky thing, I think it's gonna be cute. I like it. Oh, this is funny. It's nice and soft. All right, let me actually get to it. So I just grabbed the back and started curling up. Sorry. Just started curling up the back. And I left the front out. I'm gonna cut the lace in the front so that I could frame my face.
Cause I ain't looking for no love. You don't understand that. You just want a commitment, and I can't commit back. I'm just keeping it 100, girl, you gotta respect that. But I just really wanna hit it. Tell me how you with that. Cause I ain't looking for no love. You don't understand that. You just want a commitment, and I can't commit.
Alright guys, so I pinned this up and sprayed it because I did not want that hair in my face, and that line is really hard to try to get out. So let me just pull out a little bit more so that I can curl those pieces. We gonna figure out what earrings I'm wearing, and then I'll be back. I like this. Don't get fishy, you feel good. Edgy. Alright guys, so this is what the wig looks like after it's been curled. I do wish it had a little bit more volume. Like, I like it. I just need it to be a little bit thicker. And this was the biggest density, which I believe is 180. But I think it's cute. I just wish it was a little bit fuller, if you get what I'm saying. Like, and I'm not gonna like this today. And